Everyone, this is Shobhit Gupta and I'm here to give you the question sheet number 3 of the chapter Principles of Management. Very short answers types questions. Number 1. Mention two most significant contribution of Fayol to the theory of management. Question number 2. It has been observed that prevailing situation in an organization is due to the violation of the principle of order. What might be your observation? Question number 3. Rohan, a manager, expects his colleague to get work out of subordinates without giving them any power. Full stop. Which principles of management is overlooked and why? Question number 4. State the principle of Fayol which suggests that communication from top to bottom should follow the official lines of command. Question number 5. Which principle of management is violated if a subordinate is asked to receive order from two or more superiors? Question number 6. Name the principle of management which resembles military organization. Question number 7. What does principle of initiative indicate? Question number 8. Rajat, the production manager of Auto India Limited, passes an instruction regarding his departments freely and indiscriminately. Which management principle is violated here? Question number 9. Why is stability of tenure of personnel important in an organization? Question number 10. Why did Fayol introduce the concept of gangplank in the principle of scalar chain? Question number 11. Reena and Meena are working in the same organization. They have similar experience and are performing same task. However, they are paid at different rate. Full stop. Which principle of management is violated? Question number 12. Which principle of management focuses on specialization? Question number 13. Which principle of management states that each group having same objectives must have one head and one plan? Question number 14. Following which principle of management will minimize need of using penalties, but if not followed, will result in loss of coordination? Question number 15. Give an example of decentralization at national level. Question number 16. Who was the first to identify the function and the principles of management? Question number 17. Name the theory which is associated with both F.W. Taylor and Henry Fayol. Question number 18. If an organization does not provide the right place for physical and human resources in the organization, which principle is violated? Question number 19. State two principles of Fayol which contradicts scientific management. Question number 20. Workers should be encouraged to develop and carry out their plans for development. Identify the principles of management formulated by Fayol. Now, after very short answers types questions, which carries 1 marks, now it's time for the short answer types question, carries 3/4 marks. Question number 1. Which principles of management investigates that each group of activities having the same objectives must have one head, one plan? Explain the principle with suitable example. Question number 2. What do you mean by subordination of individual interest to general interest? Question number 3. Explain the meaning of the principles of unity of direction. Full stop. States its two positive and negative effects. Question number 4. Fayol principles of management are very effective. Can you draw a table which show the traditional and present, means modern implication of any two principles of management? Question number 5. State and explain the principle depicted in the following picture. There is one boss and there are the 4 workers, and all the workers are saying, we will do the work all together. Question number 6. If an organization does not provide the right place for physical and human resources, then which principle is violated? What are its consequences? Question number 7. Distinguish between unity of command and unity of direction. Question number 8. Explain briefly the utility of gangplank. Question number 9. Illustrate the principle of stability of tenure through a suitable example. Question number 10. Arnav, a manager of Micro Limited, does not distribute the work among his subordinates according to the capabilities. Full stop. He has given the work on the basis of favoritisms. Full stop. Which principle is overlooked? Give some of its violating effects. Question number 11. If an organization follows the following principles of management, state some of their positive effects on the organization. Number A, esprit de corps. Number B, initiative. Question number 12. What is meant by principle of centralization? Question number 13. State few values that are taken care of by applying Fayol's principles in management. Question number 14. State 3 techniques that have been developed through research and refinement of management principles. These are the short answers types question. Now long answers types question carry 5/6 marks. Question number 1. Explain Fayol's principles of equity and order with examples. Question number 2. Explain the following principles of management given by Fayol's: unity of direction, B, equity, C, esprit de corps, D, order, E, centralization and decentralization, F, initiative. Question number 3. Explain the following principles of Fayol's with the help of 1 examples for each. Number A, discipline. Number B, scalar chain. Number C, unity of command. Number D, stability of tenure of personnel. And number E, authority and responsibilities. So these are the questions you have to done in your notebook, and I am going to see whenever the school is open. तो उसको कायदे से क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कर लेना. जो भी कोई क्वेश्चन आंसर्स में डाउट होगा, यू आर फ्री टू आस्क. पूछ लेना व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में. कोई दिक्कत होगी, यू आर फ्री टू आस्क. एंड प्लीज़ क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करना, पढ़ना. मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन केस स्टडीज़ भी हैं, कुछ डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस भी हैं, कुछ और क्वेश्चंस दूंगा. अभी ये चैप्टर 85% कंप्लीट हुआ है. 15% कल चैप्टर फिनिश कर देंगे. सो प्लीज़ do the work carefully. Thank you.